Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to cook trout over fire. First, make sure your fish is completely cleaned and gutted, removing all internal organs and gills. Then, pat it thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy skin. Finally, season the trout generously, both inside and out, with salt, pepper, and your favorite fresh herbs like dill or parsley. Next, let's get your fire ready. You'll want a medium-hot fire, allowing the flames to die down to glowing embers. These embers provide consistent, even heat, which is ideal for cooking fish. Use a sturdy grill grate or a specialized cooking basket to hold your trout securely. Position the fish approximately 4 to 6 inches above the embers to ensure it cooks perfectly without burning. Now for the cooking itself. Cook your trout for approximately 3 to 5 minutes per side. This timing can vary slightly based on the thickness of your fish. You'll know it's done when the flesh becomes completely opaque and flakes easily when tested with a fork. For precise doneness, aim for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, carefully remove your delicious trout from the fire using tongs or heat-resistant gloves. A squeeze of fresh lemon and a sprinkle of extra herbs, like parsley or chives, will brighten the flavors beautifully. Serve your perfectly cooked, fire-roasted trout immediately alongside your favorite side dishes, perhaps some roasted vegetables or a crisp, fresh salad. Enjoy your outdoor culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.